Back to Savvy Serena. I have another haul for you today. This is from Walmart. I got a 20-pack variety pack of chips, frozen broccoli, some salsa, Fiesta blend cheese, another 2 bags of the salad mix, a couple of tomatoes, an onion, a dozen eggs, iceberg lettuce. I bought some stuff to do a country fried steak, a couple of things of corn, some milk, some hamburger patties. Been dying for a hamburger, so I figured I'd buy these french fries to go with it. A couple of bags of sugar, some pickles to go on the hamburgers, penne pasta, a couple of boxes, lasagna noodles. I'm going to try crock pot lasagna meal. I'm going to see how that works. Honey Nut Cheerios, 3 pounds of ground turkey, some 4 cheese pasta sauce for the lasagna, and then I'm making a taco noodle. It's like hamburger helper, but it's my version of a taco hamburger helper. So I got Italian diced tomatoes, coffee creamer for my coffee. I bought 3 packets because I didn't know how many I would need of the taco seasoning. And then I bought 1 packet of the ranch dryer sheets because there's a lot of static electricity around here with the winter. I bought some single slice cheese. I bought a pack of beef bologna and a pack of turkey lunch meat. And that was today's haul. I spent, let me look back at my receipt. Let's see, no, that one's wrong. That was last week. It was like 80 something, $82. Y'all come back now. Y'all here?